You remember that at the beginning of this module, I showed you the option that we can edit the type of the chair that is at this table. We can parametrize it by selecting one of the chairs. Under the ribbon, I can select Add Parameter label and create such parameter. It works in such a way that from the list, from the furniture category, I can select any object. Unfortunately, there's certain limitation of this tool because on this list appears on all the types that I loaded into this family project, including table, which also belongs to the furniture category. So you see that we can have such a mistake situation. So we can use this parameterization only in case we know exactly how the family should work. It would be very hard to share such family to a stranger or to the client, because this situation is pretty problematic, especially if I now use this family in the project. So additionally to the families that I loaded into them on this list, I will see also objects from the furniture category that are simply available in the project. So this list can be very, very long. And yeah, I had a desk loaded into the project. So you see again a bad situation happening. But if we are using such family only for our own purpose, it's good to know that such parameterization exists. Let's see, when I change the type of the chairs, the offset of from the circle increased significantly. We all parameterize everything against the first kind of chairs. So I guess it's happening because we have different insertion point for individual families. I go edit one of them. You see the geometry of the first chair is behind the chair. But if we see other chair, you see that the insertion point is in the central place. I can solve it by adding additional reference plane and moving the insertion point, activating define origin when I select two planes that intersect. Let's load it back into the project, and you can see they got automatically moved. But because most of the chairs type are defined based on the center of the chair, I will add just one reference plane to the first chair and instead make sure that it's in the middle. This family has a fixed dimensions, fixed size, so it's easy to change the center of the family. Now I simply change the offset from 450 to 250 or even less.